In this video, I'm going to show you how to link equity grants in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Open your Origin profile and go to the Equity section from the main menu. This is where you can manage all your stock grants, company shares, and vesting details in one place. Once you are inside the Equity section, start by entering your company name so Origin can correctly identify your employer and connect your equity data properly. After that, input the latest 409A valuation of your company, since this is used to estimate the current value of your equity grants. Next, you will need to add each equity grant individually. Click to create a new grant, then fill in the required details such as grant type, number of shares, grant price, vesting start date, and your full vesting schedule. Make sure all information matches your official grant documents, so your equity value is calculated accurately. After saving each grant, Origin will automatically track your equity position and include it in your overall net worth and portfolio breakdown. This allows you to monitor how your company shares grow over time as they vest. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.